me a favor, get out a pen and get out a piece of paper. Take a few notes here. Super, super easy, but this is going to be essentially what do I put in my lotion that I use every day, and my family's lotions are the same stuff. We all kind of do the same thing. Why I do it, and how you can make it at home. Super, super easy, guys. Okay? So let's just talk about oils for a second. If you guys have watched any of my videos, and I know you guys have because I'm getting notifications from you guys all the time, on the oils. Now you guys have probably heard me speak about this. Coconut oil and some of the oils that are my particular favorites. Okay, and I'm just going to list a few of these, not in any particular order, but coconut oil, one of my very, very, very favorite oils. Okay, olive oil, a very close second. Okay, shea oil, aloe vera. Okay, now you got to be careful with aloe vera. If you have plants at home, I can show you how to do this. In fact, we've done a aloe vera video. So if you can find that, and we're going to be doing some more aloe vera stuff because it's a super interesting topic actually. But you got to be careful if you buy aloe vera in containers from the stores, because a lot of that stuff's going to have alcohol and other chemicals in it. It's not actually aloe vera 100%. Avocado oil, another really good oil. Sweet almond oil, and or coconut seed, or I'm sorry, not coconut seed, but cocoa seed butter, and then sunflower seed oil and argan oil. Those are probably going to be my top 5, 6, 7 top favorite oils, all right, that I'm going to make my particular lotions out of, and stuff that me and my family use. Super, super easy. So you can kind of pick any one of those oils to use as your main ingredient in your lotion that you're going to make. The reason why you want to use some of these, so if you guys know any of my history as a medical doctor, I spent 4 years in naturopathic medical school, and I can't tell you how many hours and months and years in different hospitals and clinics, from oncology clinics to cancer, the 3rd and 4th levels of the different hospitals where the cancer patients were, dermatology offices, primary care offices, emergency room visits. So I worked not only clinical rotations in medical facilities and hospitals, but also naturopathic offices as well as my own. So one of the things that I can tell you is that too many people are using lotions and they're getting sick from them, or they have allergies to them. It's not because the coconut oil or the olive oil or the whatever oil is not good for you. It's because of all the chemicals they're putting into it. So let's talk about how you make your oil at home, okay? Now, what you want to do, or what I recommend, is pick a very non-allergenic lotion that you can find that has none of those chemicals like the parabens, polyparabens, phthalates, dyes, chemicals like we've talked about on the other videos. And you're going to use that for 70% of the base of your lotion, okay? So in other words, put 70% into a bucket or a tub, or use some kind of small container, and 70% of that, 60-70% of that is going to be that non-allergenic biz chemical, without chemical lotion that you're putting in there. And then what you can do is you can choose from anything like shea, coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, etc. And that's going to make up your other 30% of your consistency for your lotion. And then at the very end, you have the option of using 10 to 15 drops of different essential oils, okay? And so you can use tea tree oil, a very favorite of mine, to be honest. Eucalyptus, also kind of a second favorite in terms of essential oils. Peppermint oil, mint oil, any of those essential oils. Those are going to be sometimes used for smell, so you can use like a grapefruit or an orange. But I preferably, for me, I don't do those. I usually put in the eucalyptus and or the tea tree oil because there's a lot of antibacterial properties with those. And so essentially you're going to have a 70% lotion base, a 30% approximately of coconut oil or shea oil or olive oil or a mixture of that, and then 10 to 15 drops, 15 to 20 drops of any of the essential oils that you prefer, okay? Now, the reason why I want you making your lotions at home, it's super easy, it's very affordable, and you're not going to have any of the chemicals in the lotions that you're putting on your skin, okay? One of the best pieces of advice that I can give to you from a dermatological standpoint, If you can't put it in your mouth and eat it, don't put it on your skin. Okay, think about that. Olive oil, we eat it every day. Coconut oil, you can mix right in as a oil for the foods that you're going to be cooking. If you can't eat it, don't put it on your skin, guys. Okay? So I hope that helps with answering the questions on how to make a very easy lotion and a very beneficial lotion, good for your skin at home. My name is Dr. Joe Brown. Your health is in your hands.